Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. In today's video I would be sharing with you my experience of fasting for complete 24 hours. Basically this is a complete water fasting, no food, no juice, no tea, nothing of that. So before I jump into sharing right on my experience of 24-hour fasting, I would take you a little back because fasting is not something very new to me. I have been doing from like past about 6-7 years and experimented various kinds of fasting. So before I get into the various kinds of fasting, and in particular this 24 hours of fasting which I wanted to get into the details today, I want to share why do I actually fast. So for me it is not about any religious purposes, though most of the religion do emphasize on fasting and it has a specific significance on its benefits and etc. But the reason I do is it's just one of the way by which I take myself out of the comfort. I let myself play with my limits and things like that. So yeah, it's fun and challenging for me in that way. Various kinds of fasting, like eating just fruits for an extended period of time, like 5 days, 9 days, and eating just one meal and skipping the rest of the meals. And this particular fasting of 24 hours and just on water is something which I tried for the very first time. So over this time I've also studied what really happens when you fast, and basically what you're trying to do is either slow down your digestive system or use this particular method, basically just water fasting, not eating anything, completely shuts down your digestive system. So why in particular water fasting? Because everything else getting into your body system requires some part of digestive enzymes to get activated and basically it starts the digestive process. But it's only water which requires no digestive enzymes, and it does not basically kickstarts any digestive process. So that's why water fasting done for a long period of time helps to shut down completely your digestive process, and that's the whole aim of this particular fasting that I was trying to do. Alright, so it is research proven that when your digestive system is put to pause, there are various benefits that it has. I'm going to refer some of my notes here. So it basically helps you clean your damaged cells. It also, so after a particular time, which is specifically between 6 to 8 hours of fast, after 6 to 8 hours of fast, what happens is your source of energy switches from sugar to fat. That means your fat starts burning. This is where, if your intention is towards weight loss, happens. This is also the time when your entire food tract gets the chance to completely clean up. So consider it's like a detoxification happening for your food tract. It cleanses out itself completely, which ultimately helps in boosting up your gut health. Alright, so this was all research based information, but now I'll share live experience of how did I felt by doing 24 hours of water fasting. So the experience which I'm sharing is after doing 3 times. So I've been doing from past 3 weeks the water fasting, so weekly once basically, and I'm going to continue this. So here is what I felt after doing it 3 times. So I would start in a couple of these parameters on how did I felt overall, like throughout the day. Break down into a couple of these parameters. What was my energy level? How did I felt like in terms of my focus and mindset? How I felt, like did I felt fatigue or tired? How was my hunger level? Did I felt often to eat? Like did I had a heavy craving for hunger? So energy level, absolutely no drop. I had no issues with my energy. Rather, I even worked out on all those 3 days when I was having water fast. I did not do very high intensity workout, but it was like a fairly regular workout, not too light, not too hard. So yeah, that is there. And throughout the day I was working on regular things that I usually do on any other day, and there was no issues with my energy. Second, on the hunger cravings, the first time when I tried water fast, the day almost like most part of the day was fine, from morning to like almost evening it was fine, but towards the end of the day, towards the night, I was kind of waiting for so basically I was doing 12 to 12 that particular day, and I was waiting for 12 o'clock to strike so that I can after 12 a.m. I can go directly and like eat something. But I didn't want it to continue that way, so next 2 fasts were not like that. My hunger cravings were completely calmed down and I didn't felt that hungry at all. So in other 2 times when I did the water fast, I did not felt the need of eating. My hunger cravings were not, I would not say completely not there, but they were almost calmed down. I would get a little bit, but otherwise it would be like very normal to just remind yourself that yeah, you are fasting, but otherwise no, nothing major. I guess it is more to do with your mindset, and it gets trained eventually. And so that's why when the 3rd time I did, my mind was more ready, I was more prepared mentally, and my mind never went towards the food. It was like a switch off button. Okay, it is switched off for 24 hours, and I never kind of drawn towards anything to think also about food. Alright, so like I said, I did not had any energy issues, I did not had any tiredness, and on the 3rd time it was even better that my hunger cravings were also gone completely. One additional thing that I noticed for myself was that I was more active. Like, yes, I was more, there was no issues with my energy levels, that's fine, but I felt myself more active overall. Like my laziness was completely down. Like I was not feeling lazy at all. I definitely felt much more lighter, I definitely felt more focused. I felt, because I don't have to think throughout the day about food, I was like more into everything else than food. So yeah, that was a good part. I surely ensured that I am hydrated good enough, because water is the only thing that you're supposed to take. So I was taking good amount of water. The last portion, do I recommend you to try it out? And the answer is yes, you should definitely try it out. But if you're new to fasting, then, because like I had earlier fasting experience of different kinds, and then I did water fasting of 24 hours. But if you're completely new to fasting, start slowly. Start with like just eating 1 time a meal and skipping the rest of the meals. And then when you're coming even towards water fasting, don't do immediately for 24 hours. Maybe just try doing for 12 hours, see how your body is responding. The most important part here is it works differently for different. So basically plan for it, plan based on your lifestyle, plan your work accordingly, plan your entire day basically accordingly, so that you're more mentally ready and you kind of enjoy the process, because there is no point doing it and if you don't enjoy the process. Throughout this whole process, I think I have said it earlier as well, observe yourself, observe how your body is responding, observe how you feel mentally, observe your energy levels, observe your hunger levels, everything you have to observe. Be mindful, and even if you want, you can like take notes, journal it down for yourself, because this really helps to study on how prepared and how your body is receiving the fasting process. Okay, be aware it's going to be different experience for different people, and you might not be someone who would want to continue this, and that's totally okay. So like after doing 3 times is when I am kind of sharing this experience with you, because I have realized that I definitely loved it and I want to continue. I'm going to every week, like weekly once, I'm gonna do a water fast, and that's making me feel good. It's helping my body overall, so I'm going to continue this. But this realization has come after I tried few times. So that's what you need to do it for yourself. Try it few times in various ways. You can maybe start with 12 hours of water fast, just see how you're feeling. If it's really working for you, then continue. If you're really enjoying, if you're feeling the benefits of it, then continue. Alright, the last and the most important one is, when you are done with your fast, the breaking fast has to happen in a very gradual way, because you have completely shut down your digestive fire, you have completely shut down your digestive system. So to wake it up, you need to go slow, you need to start slow. So go very slow, do not feed it with heavy food, heavy carbs as you break the fast. Go with lighter things, go with lean protein, go with fruits, go step by step with less quantity of food, and then increase it gradually. Maybe I'll come up with another video where I would actually show up on how do I break my fast, what all I eat when I'm breaking the fast, so that's gonna help you out more. Alright, so this is all for this video. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful, and most importantly, I hope that some of you try it out. So let me know if you're gonna try it out in the comment section down below. You can also write me on my email address, which is mentioned in the description box. I would love to know what's been your experience. And if you've liked watching this video, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay safe. Situation is not so pleasant outside. Wish, pray, help as much as you can in your capacity. Until I meet you in one another video very soon, do take great care of yourself. Bye bye.